So now we are doing the experiment of plotting the reverse biased characteristics for a Zener diode. This is the diagram that we have. Here we have the variable DC voltage supply. We can vary it from 0 to 30 volts. You can see that the Zener diode has been connected in reverse bias. We are measuring the current through this milliammeter, and we have connected a voltmeter across the Zener diode to measure the voltage, and there is a load of 100 ohms. So this is the same thing is represented here in this kit. With the help of this knob, I can change my input supply that I'm giving. This is the Zener diode. This voltmeter is connected across it, and I'm measuring the current from this milliammeter, and here I can vary the load. So now let's start the experiment. So initially now I'm going to turn it on. So you can see now as I am, so now you see ki, right now I'm going to put it in milliamperes. So as I'm increasing my input voltage, you can see it's not showing any output in the current. So I'm increasing. So here you see at about when I'm at 8, now it starts moving a little. At 8.29 you can still see that we're getting some results. Now if I increase it to 8.3, now my voltage, you will notice that it stays almost constant even though my current is increasing. So this is how the Zener diode is acting like a shunt regulator. By shunt regulator we mean that we want to maintain a constant voltage at its output. So Zener diode helps us to give us a constant voltage across its output. So even if I'm increasing the input, a constant voltage of 8.3 is being maintained across it, and you can see the current is still increasing. So this is how you can plot the reverse biased characteristics of a Zener diode. So you can see in this graph, this portion of the graph is how the reverse biased characteristics look like. We are getting almost negligible current in the beginning, but as soon as we reached its breakdown voltage, you can see the Zener breakdown voltage of sorry, this should have been 8.3 minus 8.3 voltage. This thing goes down, and I have the readings with me for the reverse bias. You can see I was not getting any output on increasing the voltage. Then suddenly it started shooting the values. So these are the characteristics of Zener diode.